going on, guys? This is Colton from Jaitokes. Welcome to a brand new video. So today we are going to be checking out a brand new e-rig from Yocan. We have the iCan e-rig, swirling airflow, silky smooth mass of clouds. It claims, we'll see. Looks like there's only 2 voltage levels, which I did not realize. That's pretty interesting. Usually these e-rigs have like a variable temperature setting to where you can find like your favorite temperature, but just 2 voltage levels. We'll see how that works. Enhanced airflow carb cap, QBC coil, RBG light, 35-second heat up time, 8-second preheat. Let's go ahead and pop this thing open, man. We have the instruction manual on top. We have 10 Q-tips, USB-C charging cable, and we've got the atomizer. And then we have the actual unit itself, super sleek, not too much weight to it. Let's go ahead and check out the quick start manual here. Pull out the water tank, fill water to the line. So let's go ahead and do this. Guessing this just, yep, twists off just like that. It's got the max 40 milliliters there. All right, so we've got some water in her. It's gonna pop it on, twist it in. All right, and it looks like this this compartment for the atomizer is actually magnetic, which is actually pretty nice. Pops on, pops off. I'm just gonna screw this atomizer right on top here, just like so. And then we're ready to load up a dab, man. I've got some breadwinner rosin here from Lucky Elk. This is always my go-to to test devices, it seems. Just some super garlicky, funky terps, man. Just right up my alley. All right, so just gonna take my hot knife. We're gonna get a decent dab on here. You know what, dude? Let's go pretty large. We'll see how this thing does. All right, and I am just going to drop this right into the atomizer. Just like that. Look at that big old chunk in there, dude. It has like a viewing window. That's pretty sick. You might be able to see it melt down because this is clear as well. Yeah, dude, there's a little bit of a window there. You can see it melting. Oh, dude, this is gonna be beautiful. Turn on and off. Quickly tap the power button 5 times within 2 seconds. Adjustable voltage. Quickly tap the power button 3 times to adjust the voltage. Low is green light, high is red light. And it doesn't actually say what those 2 voltages are. They just say they're low and high. I don't really like when companies do that. I mean, you want to know exactly what voltage you're at, what temp you're going to be running, because I mean, different concentrates work better at different temperatures. So that's already a little downside for me. So there, I just clicked 5 times. We have a bright ass light on this thing, dude. All right, looks like we are on the red setting, so I might switch it over. What was it, 2 clicks? No, that's preheating. Oh god, please stop. Oh no. Has it already started? Oh no. 3 times to adjust the voltage. There it goes to green. Dude, that green is so bright. Yeah, so 2 clicks will start preheating, or you can just hold down this button. Dude, all right, so I was curious, right? There's this button on the outside. I was like, does this change the RGB or something? Dude, you turn this on. Look at that. Look at that, dude. That's pretty sick. It lights up on the inside so you can get a better view of your concentrate. Dude, that's pretty sick, honestly. So it looks like with the carb cap, you just press it down and then lift it up before your exhale. So we're ready to try this out, man. But before we do that, I need to give a huge shout out to the Tokie community, man. We have a brand new Tokie to the channel. We have Nate the Great. Thank you so much for joining up on the channel as a Tokie. Be sure to welcome him down in the comments below. So now we have Nate the Great, Luke Turner, Hoshi127, Mike Wyatt, Dripman VA, Political Refugee, Brandon ADK, and Ramster. And that is Political Refugee and Ramster holding it down for the 2 spots as the Toke Lords for the channel. Thank you so much, everybody, for all the love and support, man. And then over on the Patreon, we have Hoshi127 and Eric still holding it down for the 2 spots on the Patreon. Thank you guys so much for all the support. It means the world to me, man. If you want to see all the various perks that you get for joining up on the Patreon or as a member on the channel, be sure to check out my pinned comment down below. Let's go ahead and try out the iCan from Yocan. We have our rosin in here just ready to be smoked up. Look at that chunk in there, dude. All right, we are preheating. I'm guessing that means that it's up to temperature. The light did turn off. It looks like the rosin has moved a little bit. Oh yeah, it's definitely melting. Let me double click again, see So I believe that red flashing means that it's low battery. Red light flashes 10 times and stops working. It looks like it has turned on and melted my rosin a little bit. But man, I mean, ship your products with full charge. I mean, come on, man. hopefully that charges up quick to get a quick dab, man. That kind of sucks. All right, it's been charging for a little bit now, so let's go ahead and double click, and hopefully we have enough to take this dab here. Yeah, you can see that bubbling in there. Let's go ahead and try it out, man. We got the vibration. Let's hit it. We had just enough juice to take that rip, but yeah, definitely some smooth cool vapor. No complaints there for sure. The taste is decently strong as well. That wasn't a bad rip at all, dude. All right, so it turns out we have an issue, guys. So I let this thing charge for a while, and now anytime I try to start heating up, it just does the three green flashes there, which it says on here on their quick guide. Green light flashes 3 times if the device haven't connected coil. Got some strange grammar there, but but yeah, dude, my device haven't connected to the coil, I guess, dude. And I've tried taking it off, fully unscrewing it. See that green flash there. Try to screw it back on. It indicates that it recognizes that something's on it. Then when I try, same thing. So I don't know, dude. I guess the green is a dud, but I was maybe planning on giving away one of these, but they actually sent 2. But will this one be charged though is the question. So honestly, I'm just going to put these parts onto this one. I actually like the white a lot more though. All right, so 5 clicks, and then 2 clicks. Looks like we're on the hotter setting here. Let's see if it actually, yeah, it looks like it's heating up fine. All right, cheers, guys. But it seemed like that one was ripping, but yeah, dude, once again, the battery dies, and it's a sad day. But man, I've received so many devices that are already fully charged, so I mean, that's just a plus. Give us the fully charged batteries, man. All right, so it kind of sucked to have one that just kind of stopped working. I don't know if it just has like a bad connection or something, but the white one seems to be doing fine, and it was chugging, dude. You saw. And I feel like for the price, this thing might be worth checking out. It does feel pretty comfortable in the hands, but it does just mostly feel like plastic. But I mean, if you're looking for a like convenient, quick, user-friendly function, I feel like this is definitely more of like an entry-level device. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for smoking along with me, man. Let me know what you were smoking on down in the comments below. If you want to join up on the discussion on the Discord, be sure to check out my pinned comment down below. Thank you so much to all the Tokies for liking and subscribing. That rosin is slapping me around right now, dude. Huge shout out to Yocan for giving me early access to this device, man. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one.